Hello friends, today we are going to make Kholapuri, Tambda Rassa and Sukka. It's a very simple and a very easy recipe and yet very tasty. So let's get started. So for this I'll need onions. I'm going to chop onions. One will be finely chopped and one will be roughly chopped. So roughly chopped onion, I'm going to dry roast the onion. Once the onion is dry roasted, make a paste of it. In the same pan, take in some sesame seed, some poppy seed, some cumin seed, and dry roast it. Once it start to pop, add in the coconut to it. Here I am using desiccated coconut. You can also use fresh coconut. But if you are using fresh coconut, please dry roast the coconut first and then add into it. Now I am going to make a fine paste of it. Once the paste is made, add in the ginger, garlic and some coriander to it. Now in a big pan, add in some oil, some finely chopped onion to it, and mix it. Once onions are halfway through, add in the ginger, garlic and green chili paste to it. And mix it. Once you smell that the garlic has been cooked properly, go ahead, add in mutton pieces. You can also use chicken instead of mutton. Here I am using mutton pieces. Add in the mutton pieces and salt to it and mix it. Now take a pan, add in some water and keep it on the pan. Do not add water in the mutton. Once the water is hot on the pan, on the top of the pan, add in the same hot water to the mutton. This will give a nice taste to it. I am also going to add 1.5 liter of extra hot water to the mutton because I am going to make rasa of it. Once the mutton is 95% cooked, separate the mutton with the mutton pieces. The liquid remaining, the broth over here we are going to use this broth as the rasa, tambdarassa. We are going to make tambdarassa of this broth. Here I am adding the coconut paste, the one which we sorted and made a paste of it. It has coconut, sesame, poppy seed, ginger, garlic and coriander and cumin seed. Mix it well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Once it's boiled for 5 minutes, add in chopped coriander. Now at this time you can remove some broth over here. If you have a small kid, this broth is really good and tasty. Add in a ladle full of kanda lasun masala and cook it. Once you add the kanda lasun masala, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes till you see oil oozing out. Your tamda rasa is ready. Now in another pan, take oil. Add in the onion paste made before. This is the dry roasted onion paste. Now cook it until the paste is cooked. You need to keep mixing it vigorously. Once you think that the paste has been cooked nicely, go ahead and add in the masala to it, the coconut masala. Coconut, poppy seed, sesame seed, cumin seed, ginger, garlic and coriander, cilantro to it. And mix it. And let the masala cook. Once the masala is cooked properly, add in the mutton pieces to it. And add in the broth. I forgot to take the broth beforehand, so now I am just taking the tambdarassa and adding to it. At this time, add in the kanda lasun masala to it also. I forgot to take a video of it. Here your mutton sukka is ready. Garnish it with some cilantro and enjoy. Do let me know how the video turned out, and do like my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Jhatpat Cooking. Enjoy. Bye.